If you want to quickly find your useful contacts or your fast call options on your Android phone, so here's how to set up contact widgets on your Android for easy access and notification management. And watch it till the end because we'll give you a little tricks on optimizing your contact use. Before we start, make sure that you have your Android updated to the latest version, so all of the contact widgets options would be available. Now, locate any empty space on your home screen, hold your finger on it and press Widgets. Here, let's locate our Contacts widget, and here we have different type of contacts such as Contact, Direct Call, Direct Message, or Direct Dial. So choose the corresponding option. For example, I want to add just a contact. Press Add. Now choose which contact you want to add. For example, this one, and here we are. Now the contact is added. We can select it, we can redrag it, we can remove it if we want to. We can add up more widgets, so they're stackable, right? We can add up direct dial, for example, and add up for about 4 contacts here. Let's do this. And this one, for example. Press done, and now we have our fast dial, and we can click on any contacts, and the call is gonna happen, right? That's how it works. To get all the advertisement, like to get all the notifications from your contacts, not to miss anything, make sure to open up your settings, to locate your notifications, and then locate your app notifications. In here, make sure that your contacts are turned on. So tap on the switch. Make sure that you have it at low sound and vibration if you need it. And basically that is it. Now on our home screen, you have a contact widget. It's very convenient, it's very useful, and I hope your day is going good. Subscribe to our channel, hit a like. Goodbye.